Happy 50th birthday, Uncle Dan. My wish for you is may the Lord gives you more birthdays to come, more guidance and strength for everyday living, and good health as always. I just want you to let you know that I am so grateful to have you as my uncle, my friend, my brother, and my mentor for every moment of life. Thank you so much for the unconditional advice and giving me possible solution for every moment that I feel a hard time. And I just want you to let you know that it strikes me more and it strives me to do a hard time to perform not only for my work but in daily living. I miss you and I hope to see you soon. I just keep my fingers crossed as always. And God first. I hope a day always filled with love, laughter, and brighter memories. I love you.
Dan, happy birthday. God bless you. Enjoy your day and thank you sa naging sa amin.
Birthday Tito Dan, I miss you, I love you, God bless, see you soon. Bye-bye!
Sir, happy birthday. Thank you for the blessings that you share with us and more birthdays to come and again happy birthday. We love you.
Dan, happy 50th birthday. We love you all. I hope enjoy your day. God bless and I see you soon.
Dan, good morning. Dan, happy birthday to you. I know you are very happy today. This is your 50th year. Golden boy, happy birthday. God bless you always. And always be happy. And thanks for everything. Thank you for being the partner of Maria P. And the father of Juliana. Be a good boy always. Thank you, Dan. Dan, again, happy birthday.
Dan, happy birthday. And thanks for everything. And
Happy birthday, Dan.
I love you all. I see you soon. Thank you very much.
Dan, hello Dan. Happy birthday. God bless you. Take care always. May the good Lord guide you every day and protect you. Regards to my sister Marife and Juliana. Thank you for everything, Dan. Thank you, Dan. Sa iyong tanan. Tol, thank you. Ito sa tanan-tanan. Juliana, thank you. I miss you. I love you, Dan. Happy birthday.
Hi there, big bro. I've heard it's your birthday. So, from my family, I would like to greet you a blessed birthday. Hope you have a blast. And hopefully we can bond together soon. I promise I'll be with you in the gym. So, but before that, I have a birthday gift for you. Birthday present. Your favorite chicken. So, for you. Stay cool. I'll see you soon. Happy birthday.
Hello, Uncle Dan. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and good luck for another year, another life. And thank you for always giving us positive advices. And stay safe and God bless only. Take care always the family. And soon I will PM you at Messenger. I will do how old are you? 51? I will do 51 to 52 push-ups for you.
Again, happy birthday. Wish you a day filled with love and joy and all the things that make you happiest. Here's to another year enjoy a special day. Happy
Bye.
birthday!
Birthday.
A cool uncle like you is not easy to find. So funny and unique. You're one of a kind. Happy birthday, Uncle Dan. I wish you more years of grace, love, and happiness. And enjoy your special day. Have a great day. God bless. Happy birthday.
Dan,
Dan, happy birthday,
happy
Dan.
birthday, Dan.
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you, Dan, sa
Thank you for
tanan-tanan sa
everything.
inyo ni Otto, Marife, at
Thank you.
Juliana. Thank you, gid sa tanan-tanan nyo.
Always be
Salamat,
happy.
gid, Dan. Salamat.
Thanks for everything, Dan. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Uncle Dan. We love you. God bless us. Uncle Dan, Uncle Dan, Uncle Dan.
Happy birthday, Uncle. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.